Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett. I've got a post review of the diamond dots that I just finished. This is the first diamond dots that I have ever done. And let me tell y'all, I can see why a lot of people love these. I have absolutely zero complaints. Zero complaints. This was by far, other than two other companies that I have worked on, this is by far one of the best canvases I have worked, as far as the glue being great, the drills were great, I don't know, everything just flowed, and it was so nice, and I found no trash drills, and I love the way that they put the one row all the way around the canvas that has no glue on it, like a little border. Y'all can't see that, can you? But anyway, it's like a little border of the picture that goes all the way around the canvas, and there's no glue on it. I did not even have to use washi tape. There was no sticking, my arm wasn't getting stuck, nothing. Loved this canvas. Highly recommend Diamond Dots. Loved it. This one did have one AB, and it is scattered all in, like right in here where his hand is, throughout his beard, his hair, the top of the fuzzy part of the hat, and then the little ball in the hat. And y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this. The lighting's not great, but the sparkle of this canvas is amazing. So pretty. Just absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, I don't know what it was about this canvas. It just the feel of it is just amazing. Just absolutely, I don't know, it just, the drills themselves just had, to me, and I know this is going to sound stupid and crazy, it just had a different texture to it. I don't ask me what I mean by that. I don't know. It's just going to be one of those, if you've never done a Diamond Dots before, you need to try the Diamond Dots. Love it. And I like the fact that if I want to do another one, I can get in my car and run up to, the nearest Hobby Lobby or wherever to get it. I don't have to wait for shipping and all that stuff. But yeah, I loved it. Absolutely loved it. Had plenty of drills left over. No issues of running out, period. Which I've already put them up, so I can't show them to you, but absolutely loved this. Loved this canvas. And again, just a recap on this. This is a Diamond Dots. This was a 30.5 by 30.5 centimeter was the design size. It has 22 colors, one of which was an AB. And with this being Diamond Dots, they of course have their own coating. So I've only got one other Diamond Dot canvas to do, and it's a partial. So I guess if I were to decide to start doing quite a bit of the diamond dots, and if I wanted to keep my drills, I guess I'm going to have to come up with some kind of storage system for the diamond dots. I don't know, because like I said, I've only got one more to do, and most likely I'll get some more of the diamond dots. I just don't know when. So, but definitely recommend diamond dots. I know there's some people out there that don't like them, but like I said, this was my first one. Highly impressed. Loved it. Just absolutely loved it. There is nothing that I can say bad about this canvas at all. So, anyway, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and do a post review on this. And like I said, the shine is amazing, and I don't know, like I said, I don't know if y'all can see this. See the ABs in here twinkling. But sitting here with the naked eye under this light, it is amazing. So, loved it. Absolutely loved it. So, anyway, I guess until my next video, thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. If you just happen to be coming through, please hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button. Share it if you want to. I don't care. But I guess until my next video, y'all, I will see everyone later. Bye, y'all.